ready to blast your Buzzsprout podcast to the world and bring in a flood of new listeners. Let's dive into how to easily embed your podcast episodes directly from Buzzsprout. First things first, log into your Buzzsprout account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. On the left side, you will see your podcast episodes listed. Locate the episode you want to share. Directly below the episode title, you'll find 3 button options. The key one for this tutorial is the share button. Go ahead and select this. Clicking share presents several sharing options, but focus your attention on the embed option, usually the second option on the menu. Click on it. Now, you'll see the embed code. Buzzsprout lets you customize how the player looks on your website or blog. You can change the size and theme to make it match your branding. This is your special code. Copy the code by clicking the copy code button. Now, paste that embed code into your website or blog's backend or into a text block, and just that quickly, your episode appears on your website or blog. Now you've successfully boosted your podcast's visibility and made it easier for listeners to enjoy your content.